On the container you just created, you can add new costs. Here, select Expenses. You can add the amount paid, the description, and the name of the cost. Here, if you click on Extra Cost, you can add the supplier, which is the person who will pay. You can add the terms and the created date has to be the same from the containers. Now you can save and refresh the page so it can be synced with QuickBooks. When you get this logo, click on it. It will take you to QuickBooks. Here on QuickBooks, you have a new bill for this extra cost from the same container, but the person receiving the money is a different one. If you go to Expenses, you will see two different bills. One from the container with the slabs and the integrated cost, and the other one from the same container but for the extra cost.